This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study English of Class 12. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including question types and marks distribution. Next, dedicate time to reading diverse materials like newspapers, articles, and short stories to enhance your vocabulary and understanding. Finally, consistently practice writing different answer types, paying close attention to structure and content. This foundational approach will set you up for success. To master reading comprehension, make daily reading a habit. Explore different genres to broaden your vocabulary and understanding of various writing styles. When reading, actively try to pinpoint the central theme and key supporting arguments. Crucially, practice solving unseen passages within a set time limit to build speed and accuracy, which is vital for exam performance. This consistent effort will significantly boost your comprehension abilities. Improving your writing and grammar is essential. Begin by thoroughly understanding the specific formats for formal letters, articles, and other written tasks. Regularly revise grammar rules, focusing on areas like verb tenses, active versus passive voice, and sentence construction. A great way to enhance fluency is to write daily, perhaps keeping a journal. This consistent practice will refine your expression and reduce grammatical errors, making your writing clear and impactful. For literature, delve deep into analyzing literary devices such as metaphors and similes and understand the underlying themes of each text. Create detailed, yet concise, revision notes for every chapter and poem, summarizing key points and character analyses. Regularly review these notes to reinforce your memory. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Consistent revision and understanding the nuances of literature will ensure you are fully prepared for your exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.